Cool, so I just want to show you guys what you'll get in the inside of your kit. So let's open it up. Woo, okay. So over here we have a strainer. And you're also going to get a tub like this, as well as a little bag that has a tap and some strainer legs. Now as you can see, I've already attached them to the strainer, but it's pretty simple. You just put the strainer legs in the holes and then voila! So what you're going to do is you're firstly going to attach this tap to your bin, but you'll get instructions and everything inside your kit telling you exactly how to do that. And then you're going to take your strainer and you're going to put it inside your bin with the legs facing down. So let's put that in. Over here we have the Earth BOKASHI, and first things first, you're going to put a thin layer of that inside your bin. Hey guys, so now that I've showed you how to set up your composting kit, let me walk you through the maintenance. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put a thin layer of the BOKASHI on top of your strainer, and once you've done that, you can start adding your organic waste. So let's talk about what you can throw into your compost. Basically, fruit and vegetable food scraps, even meat and fish, small bones. Okay, so those are the things you can throw into your compost. But things you can't throw into your compost, well, the list isn't very long, but try and keep out liquids, oils, large burns, and food that's gone off. Okay, so now you've got your organic waste ready and you've got your bin and you've set it all up. So now you want to know what now? For every layer of organic waste, you're going to need to put a handful of the BOKASHI on top of it. Basically what the BOKASHI is going to do is it's going to help the decomposition process. And very important, it's going to help take away the smell. So once your bin is full, it's pretty much going to look like this. A layer of organic waste, a layer of the BOKASHI, a layer of organic waste, a layer of the BOKASHI. Another important point that I need to add is that for every layer of compost, so organic waste, you're going to need to try and get some of that air out. So try using a potato masher and just squishing it together every time you add some compost to your bin. So finally, your bin is full of organic waste, and now you want to know, what do you do with it? Okay, so you're going to put it out of direct sunlight and you're going to leave that thing for a whole 2 weeks. Yeah, you're gonna have to leave it and let the microbes do their thing and break down your waste. Once the 2 weeks are up, you can take your compost bin, and you might be wondering why the compost bin has a tap. Well, basically, after the 2 weeks, you can tap off the liquid from your compost and you can use that liquid as plant food. So yay! And you can also use that plant food to throw down your drains to take away the smell. The next step is you're gonna bury your compost in about this much soil. And basically that will get your compost ready. And when it's ready, it'll be a nice dark earthy color and you won't even recognize your food scraps anymore. Boom, your compost is ready. Guys, I've had this compost for 2 weeks now. Bin is about half full, and as you can see, that stuff on the top, that's the BOKASHI, and it's really preventing the compost from looking too gross, hey? It's not looking too bad, and the smell, can't really smell much. Let's see if I can fill this thing up by the end of the month.